You have probably had bruschetta, but not like this. I got this idea after my trip to Sweden. That's where I first tried smoked salmon. I had it as an appetizer there. This is a 2-for-1 app. Make 1 cream cheese mix, get 2 kinds of bruschetta. Put your cream cheese in a bowl. Add lemon zest, black pepper, salt, lemon juice, and of course dill. Then mix it well. Store it in the refrigerator until ready to use. Now, toast the bread with some olive oil. Now put the cream cheese mix on your toasted bread. Add smoked salmon and capers. I have made pickled cucumbers using salt, sugar, vinegar, and of course water. For a little kick, I added some red pepper flakes. For the second bruschetta, add cream cheese again. Add sliced pickled cucumbers and lingonberry spread. And top with dill. 2 apps, 1 sweet, 1 savory. Enjoy. Take care.